Laureate Education, LAUR, has seen a notable increase of 5.5% in its stock price, driven by analysts who have recently raised their earnings forecasts and upgraded the company's momentum ratings. This shift in perspective among analysts reflects a growing sense of optimism regarding Laureate's business trajectory and overall performance. Despite facing considerable liabilities, Laureate Education boasts a net cash position of $75.9 million, coupled with improving earnings that have alleviated some concerns regarding its financial stability and debt responsibilities. In this discussion, we will delve into how these upward revisions in earnings estimates could influence Laureate Education's investment narrative and its potential for future growth. Interestingly, the most promising AI stocks may not just be the well-known giants like NVIDIA and Microsoft. There are 24 smaller companies focused on AI that show significant growth potential, particularly in areas like machine learning, automation, and data intelligence. These emerging firms could represent the next big opportunity for investors looking to secure their financial future through innovative technologies. Revisiting Laureate Education's investment narrative. The investment narrative surrounding Laureate Education hinges on the belief that there is a growing demand for higher education in Latin America, alongside the effective provision of both traditional and online learning options. The recent upward adjustments in earnings estimates and enhanced momentum ratings indicate a rising optimism among analysts. However, it is crucial to note that these changes do not fundamentally alter the primary short-term catalyst, the growth of enrollment in Mexico and Peru. A significant risk remains due to the company's concentrated exposure to specific macroeconomic conditions and policy changes in these countries, which could still affect future revenue streams, regardless of the current positive earnings momentum. Among the latest updates, Laureate has revised its revenue guidance for 2025 upwards by $55 million, a change attributed to favorable foreign currency fluctuations. This adjustment is a direct reflection of the current analyst optimism and underscores how external market dynamics, such as shifts in exchange rates, can enhance short-term financial projections. However, it is essential to recognize that these factors might also obscure deeper structural risks within the business model. But here's where it gets controversial. Even with the enthusiasm from analysts, investors must remain vigilant about the potential repercussions of economic or regulatory changes in Latin America. For those interested in a deeper dive, you can read the full narrative on Laureate Education for free here. https://simplywall.st/consumer services/NASDAQ/LAUR/Laureate Education/BIC9AP22 Campus expansion in Mexico and Peru will elevate digital learning 0Z38. Looking ahead, Laureate Education's projections suggest a revenue target of $2.0 billion and earnings of $343.9 million by 2028. Achieving this will require an annual revenue growth rate of 8.4% and an increase in earnings of $89.7 million from the current $254.2 million. You can explore how these forecasts lead to a fair value estimate of $28.00 for Laureate Education, indicating a potential downside of 5% from its current market price. Considering different perspectives, in the Simply Wall Street community, retail investors have estimated Laureate's fair value to be between $17 and $64.74, based on 5 different forecasts. This wide range of opinions reflects the same concentrated country risks highlighted in analyst reports, providing a diverse array of viewpoints for those monitoring the stock's future. If you're curious about other fair value estimates for Laureate Education, you can find 5 additional assessments here. simplywall.st/community/narratives/consumer services/NASDAQ/LAUR/Laureate Education. That suggests the stock might be valued at 42% less than its current price. Crafting your own narrative on Laureate Education. Do you disagree with the prevailing narratives? You can create your own perspective in just under 3 minutes. Here, support.simplywall.st/hc/n/articles/103532755049 Stock Valuator. Remember, extraordinary investment returns often come from thinking independently rather than following the crowd. A great starting point for your research on Laureate Education is our analysis that highlights 4 key benefits that could influence your investment decisions. Additionally, our free research report on Laureate Education provides a comprehensive fundamental analysis summarized in a single visual, known as the snowflake, making it easy to assess the company's overall financial health at a glance. Interested in other investment opportunities? Opportunities like these are fleeting. Here are some of today's most promising picks. Discover financially sound penny stocks that offer a balance of risk and reward. Here, simplywall.st/discover/investingideas41536/US. AI is poised to revolutionize healthcare. Explore 31 companies working on everything from early diagnostics to drug discovery. Here, https://simplywall.st/discover/investingideas/43426 Healthcare AI Global. The best part? They all have market caps under $10 billion, so there's still time to invest early. Check out these 10 companies that not only survived, but thrived after COVID and possess the right attributes to withstand Trump's tariffs. Here, simplywall.st/discover/investingideas/34411 Trump tariffs/global. Learn why before your portfolio feels the impact of the trade war. This article by Simply Wall Street is intended for informational purposes only. We provide insights based on historical data and analyst forecasts using an unbiased methodology. Our articles are not meant to serve as financial advice and do not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any stock, nor do they take into account your individual objectives or financial situation. Our goal is to deliver long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Please note that our analysis may not incorporate the latest price-sensitive company announcements or qualitative information. Simply Wall Street does not hold any positions in the stocks mentioned. New AI Stock Screener Alerts. Our newly launched AI Stock Screener scans the market daily to uncover investment opportunities, including dividend powerhouses, 3% plus yield, undervalued small caps with insider buying, high-growth tech and AI companies. Or you can create your own screener using over 50 different metrics. Explore it for free here, /simplywallst/features/stock screener. Do you have feedback on this article? Are you concerned about the content? Feel free to reach out to us directly here, https://feedback/simplywallst article NDA2 MJI NCTNF ZDNCH. Alternatively, you can email us at editorialteam@simplywallst.com.